Have you ever wanted to be the guy she just can't stop thinking about? The one who lingers in her mind long after the conversation is over? Maybe she's texting you first, bringing you up in conversations, or even daydreaming about you. Well, today I'm going to break down the 6 key steps to making a woman think about you, non-stop. And let me tell you, most men get this completely wrong. So stick around until the very end, because I'm going to reveal a mindset shift that will make you magnetic in a way you've never imagined before. Attraction isn't just about looks or money. It's about how you make a woman feel even when you're not around. If you master the art of emotional imprinting, you'll become unforgettable. Today, we're going deep into the 6 psychological triggers that make a woman think about you non-stop by the end. Subscribe to the channel and leave a like so I know you enjoy my content and I can make more videos for you. You'll have a clear roadmap to not just attract her, but to stay on her mind effortlessly. Let's dive in. Step 1. Be unpredictable. The human brain is wired to crave novelty. When something is too predictable, it becomes boring. If you always text her at the same time, always say the same things, and always act in the same way, she'll subconsciously put you in the routine category, not the exciting one. So mix things up. Surprise her with an unexpected compliment. Skip a day of texting and then come back with an engaging story. Create a sense of anticipation, and she'll start wondering, what's he going to do next? And speaking of keeping her intrigued, that leads us to the next step. Step 2, leave mystery in your conversations. Have you ever noticed that when a movie leaves an open ending, people can't stop talking about it? The same applies to conversations. Instead of answering all her questions directly, leave some details out. Give just enough to pique her curiosity. For example, instead of saying, "I went out with some friends," you could say, "I had one of the most interesting nights last night." But that's a story for another time. She'll be dying to know what happened. And guess what? The more she thinks about you, the more space you take up in her mind. And that ties perfectly into our next step. Step 3, create emotional high points. People remember emotions more than words. If you want a woman to think about you, make her feel something: excitement, curiosity, laughter, even a little nervousness. Take her on an emotional journey. Tease her playfully, challenge her opinions in a fun way, compliment her in a unique, unexpected way. The goal is to make your interactions stand out, so they don't blend in with the rest of her daily routine. And this next step is where most guys completely fail. Step 4, have a strong purpose beyond her. Women are naturally drawn to men who have ambition, goals, and a sense of direction. If your entire world revolves around her, she won't feel that magnetic pull toward you. Instead, be a man on a mission. Chase your goals, pursue your passions, and let her see that you're someone with purpose. This creates an aura of intrigue and respect. Want to know a surefire way to make her crave your attention even more? That's where Step 5 comes in. Step 5. Master the art of absence. Have you ever noticed how we value things more when they're scarce? When you're always available, she'll take you for granted. But when you give her space, when you disappear just a little, she starts to miss you. Don't text her constantly. Be busy with your own life. Let her wonder what you're up to. This psychological space creates a craving for your presence. And finally, the most powerful step of all. Step 6, make her feel understood. The deepest human craving is to be understood. If you can make a woman feel truly heard, she'll naturally be drawn to you. Ask her thoughtful questions. Listen more than you speak. Remember the little details she shares with you. When she realizes that you get her in a way most people don't, she'll feel a connection that keeps her thinking about you non-stop. And now, as promised, let's talk about the final mindset shift that will make you magnetic beyond belief. The key to making a woman think about you isn't to chase her, it's to become the kind of man she wants to chase. And that comes from having an abundance mindset when you truly believe that you have options, that you are valuable, and that you don't need anyone's validation. You radiate confidence and confidence. That's the most attractive trait of all. So let's recap the 6 steps. 1. Be unpredictable. 2. Leave mystery in your conversations. 3. Create emotional high points. 4. Have a strong purpose beyond her. 5. Master the art of absence. 6. Make her feel truly understood. If you found value in this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's keep the conversation going. Drop a comment below and tell me which of these steps you've seen work in your own life. Remember, attraction isn't about tricks. It's about becoming the kind of man who naturally draws people in. Keep leveling up, and I'll see you in the next video. For now, subscribe and watch this short video. If you watched until the end, it means you enjoy my content. I'm looking forward to your subscription and like. Thanks for watching. I am waiting for your response.